Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the topic of free will and why having no free will can actually be a good thing. Now, the concept of free will is the belief that individuals have the ability to make choices that are free from any external influence. But what if we told you that everything we do, every decision we make, is actually determined by factors outside of our control? But before we jump in, remember to subscribe for more videos about our crazy universe. Recent scientific research has provided evidence to support the idea that the brain operates like any other organ in the body. For example, studies in neuroscience and psychology have shown that our thoughts, emotions, and actions are all influenced by complex processes within the brain that are beyond our conscious control. One study, for instance, used brain imaging techniques such as functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, to track changes in brain activity as people made decisions. The results showed that certain areas of the brain, such as the anterior cingulate cortex, become active before a person is even aware of making a decision. This suggests that our choices are not made consciously but rather emerge from the unconscious processes within the brain. Another study conducted by neuroscientists looked at how the brain processes information to make decisions. They found that the brain uses a combination of past experiences and unconscious biases to make choices, even when we believe we are making a rational decision. This supports the idea that our decisions are not truly made freely, but are instead influenced by unconscious factors. The growing body of scientific evidence suggests that the brain operates much like any other organ in the body, with complex processes and interactions influencing our thoughts, emotions, and actions. This supports the argument that our choices are not made freely but are instead the result of unconscious processes that are beyond our control. From a philosophical perspective, determinism states that all events, including human actions, are ultimately determined by previous causes and conditions. This means that there's no such thing as free will and every choice we make is predetermined. Now, why is this a good thing? Well, for starters, determinism takes away the burden of responsibility from our shoulders. If we don't have control over our actions, then it's not our fault if things go wrong. Instead, it's simply a result of cause and effect. Additionally, determinism also provides us with a sense of security and predictability. If everything is predetermined, then we can understand the reasons behind our actions and the actions of others. This can help us make better decisions and avoid mistakes in the future. Moreover, determinism can also help us understand the underlying motivations behind our actions. If we understand why we do what we do, we can work towards improving ourselves and making positive changes in our lives. Lastly, determinism allows us to let go of the pressure of making the right decisions. Instead, we can focus on simply following the path that has been laid out for us and making the best of it. In conclusion, while the idea of having no free will may seem daunting at first, it can actually lead to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. By embracing determinism, we can let go of the stress and pressure of making choices, and focus on making the most of the journey ahead. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.